Patio doors are one of the most used features in any home. They let in natural light, provide easy access to your backyard, and help create a seamless indoor-outdoor living space. In Metairie, where homeowners enjoy warm weather and outdoor gatherings for much of the year, patio doors play an even bigger role. But with frequent use and exposure to humidity, rain, and heat, patio doors can develop problems over time. If your patio door is sticking, leaking, or simply not working the way it should, you're not alone. Here are some of the most common patio door problems in Metairie and practical ways to fix them. Sticking or hard to slide doors. One of the most common complaints homeowners have is that their sliding patio door is difficult to open or close. In many cases, this is due to dirt, debris, or worn rollers in the track. Metairie's humid climate can also cause frames to swell slightly, making movement more difficult. To fix this issue, start by thoroughly cleaning the track. Use a vacuum to remove loose debris, then wipe the track with warm, soapy water. After it dries, apply a silicone-based lubricant to help the door glide smoothly. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, the rollers may be worn out. Replacing the rollers is often an affordable repair that can make your door feel brand new again. Drafts and air leaks. If you notice higher energy bills or feel warm air coming in around your patio door, worn weather stripping could be the culprit. Over time, the seals around the door can crack, flatten, or pull away from the frame. Replacing weather stripping is usually a simple fix. Remove the old material, clean the surface, and install new weather stripping designed for your specific door model. This small improvement can significantly boost energy efficiency and keep your home more comfortable during Metairie's hot summers. Water leaks during heavy rain. Sudden downpours are common in this area, and poorly sealed patio doors can allow water to seep inside. Leaks are often caused by damaged seals, clogged weep holes, or improper installation. First, check the weep holes, small openings at the bottom of the frame designed to drain water. Clear any debris using a small brush or compressed air. If the leak persists, inspect the caulking around the door frame. Cracked or missing caulk should be removed and replaced with a high-quality exterior sealant. If water intrusion continues, it may be time to have a professional assess whether the door was installed correctly or if the frame has sustained damage. Foggy or cloudy glass. If your patio door has double-pane glass and appears foggy between the panes, this typically means the seal has failed. When the seal breaks, moisture gets trapped inside, creating condensation that cannot be wiped away. Unfortunately, this problem cannot be fixed with simple cleaning. In most cases, the insulated glass unit needs to be replaced. While you may not need a full door replacement, addressing the issue promptly will restore clarity and improve insulation. Broken locks or latches. Security is a top concern for any homeowner. If your patio door lock is loose, difficult to engage, or completely broken, it should be repaired as soon as possible. Sometimes the issue is simple misalignment between the latch and the strike plate. Adjusting the strike plate slightly can solve the problem. If the locking mechanism itself is damaged, replacing it with a new, more secure model is a smart investment. Modern patio door locks offer enhanced protection and smoother operation. Cracked or warped frames. Heat and humidity can take a toll on patio door frames, especially older wooden models. Warping can make doors hard to close properly and may create gaps that allow air and moisture inside. Minor warping might be corrected with adjustments to hinges or rollers. However, significant frame damage often requires partial or full door replacement. Upgrading to vinyl or fiberglass frames can provide better durability in Metairie's climate and reduce future maintenance needs. When to call a professional. While many patio door issues can be handled with basic tools and a bit of time, some problems require expert attention. Persistent leaks, structural damage, or repeated roller failures may signal deeper issues. A professional inspection can help you determine whether repair or replacement is the most cost-effective solution. Keeping your patio doors in top shape. Routine maintenance goes a long way. Clean tracks regularly, inspect seals annually, and address small problems before they grow. With proper care, your patio doors can continue to enhance your home's comfort, security, and style for years to come. If you're experiencing any of these common patio door problems in Metairie, taking action early can save you money and prevent more extensive damage. A smooth gliding, well-sealed patio door not only improves daily convenience but also protects your home from the elements.